Pero bakit? But why? Pero wala akong pera. But I don't have money. Salamat, pero di ako pwedeng magtagal. Thank you, but I can stay long. Tinext kita, pero di ka nag-reply. I texted you, but you did not reply. Tinawagan kita, pero di ka sumagot. I called you, but you did not answer. Gusto kong magbakasyon, pero wala akong pera. I want to go for a vacation, but I don't have money. Hindi ko alam, pero parang sa kanya yan. I don't know, but I guess it's hers. Wala kaming nagawa kundi umalis. We have no choice but to leave. Tama ka, pero hindi ka dapat nakialam. You're right, but you shouldn't interfere. Oo, tama ka, pero parang may mali. Yes, you're right, but I feel something wrong. Paumanhin, subalit hindi ako sang-ayon sa opinyon mo. I'm sorry, but I don't agree with your opinion. Maganda naman, kaya lang di ko gusto. It's beautiful, but I don't like it. Magkasama kami, pero di kami nag-uusap. We're together, but we don't talk to each other. Sinabi ko sa kanya, pero di naman lahat. I told her, but not everything. Matalino siya, kaya lang walang may gusto sa kanya. He's smart, but nobody likes him. Nakakapagod, pero ang saya namin. That was tiring, but we had fun. Gusto mo siya, pero di kanya gusto. You like her, but she doesn't like you. Wala nang pero-pero. Gawin mo na. No buts. Just do it. Gusto kong pumunta, kaya lang ayaw kong mapag-isa. I want to go, but I don't want to be alone. Di sa ayaw ko, kaya lang di talaga pwede. It's not that I don't want to, but I just can't. Wala kang alam, pero nagsalita ka. You know nothing, but you spoke.